Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This video is about an incentivized testnet that is in closed phase at the moment. It will only last for a few days. It has been running for around 3 days now, but there are only 2 or 3 days left to participate. So you should get started if you're interested. The project is well backed, as we will see later on. All you need to do is run a node, which is a browser-based node. I'm just starting out myself. I simply need to click on start node, and per hour you will earn 2,000 points. So the more you run it, the more hours you leave it running, the better. There is a max cap on points earnable within this closed phase. And yes, and that's that. You need an invite code to get started, by the way. Now, when you use the invite code, in case it's struggling to fetch data, simply clear cache and it will work. Okay, now for starting the node, let's start. It's possible it doesn't work at once, so you may need to try it multiple times. There are also tasks. So I think when you start the node, you'll have access to this tasks portal where you can complete tasks. Let's click on start node. I'll do subsequent videos about this leading up to the let me just ensure I'm on the right wallet. Leading up to the end of the closed phase. What you'll be earning, by the way, is Edge. That is their token. It's called Edge. Okay, so you will already be earning that by running a node. So I just got on the Discord and I'm told that there's congestion and all that. So for this one, you may need to try multiple times. And if you have multiple devices, even better. So it's very possible it doesn't, run within the course of this video, but where I'm able to, get it to run and all that, and I find what the solution is, besides having to try it multiple times, clearing cache to try it again, I will do another video about that. There is a streak. So claim 7-day streak for 500 points bonus. So each day that you log in, you can claim rewards. Now, I don't know if it's a good idea to refresh. Just a moment. Let me try on another device. Okay, on another device, it's saying processing. It doesn't have this network error while starting node. So let me refresh this. Now, if it doesn't work, by simply refreshing, I will be, okay, so same thing on the other PC, says network error while starting node. It may also be an internet issue. I don't know if I have much, I don't know if internet is going to be a factor. Location may be a factor as well. So it may end up faring well at your end. Okay, so get started. Now let's see the details of this, the timeline. Okay, still the same issue. On the Discord, it's a known issue, by the way. Okay, so let's see timeline. Now it's built on Babylon Labs. I don't know if you will end up with the Babylon Labs airdrop by doing this. But here you see, in another video, I'll talk about the technicalities of the project. So as a Babylon, Labs Bitcoin secured network LayerEdge leverages staked BTC security from Babylon while making BitVM modular, extending Bitcoin security guarantees across layer. Again, I will look into the technicalities of this in another video. Okay, so here you earn LayerEdge points as rewards for running the node. It's closed testnet from January 22 to 28, 2025. Stress testing with browser-based light nodes and limited access. Phase 2 will be the public beta testnet. Full launch with browser-based and system-based light nodes. More protocol integrations and so on. So you may want to be in the limited version, before it goes public. Okay, so that's the date until the 28th. So there are 2 days left. Some people have been running it, but you can still compete if you have your node running continuously. Let's leave it at that. Before I go, I'll try it one more time. But this time, let me clear cache. Because when I was onboarding, it had a struggled. I was able to clear cache and it ended up working. So let's try that. Wow. I've used an invite code. I don't think I even know the invite code any longer. Interesting stuff. Like, you're not supposed to encounter this when you have onboarded already. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll look for a resolution. I don't know if I'll be able to. I can't remember what invite code I used. Okay, so let's leave it at that. I'll come back, again in another video. Let me just try one more time on the other PC to start node and see what will happen. So it's obvious clearing cache is not a good, it will likely need the same invite code that you used, which I don't really know at this stage. But again, whatever resolution there is, I'll present in another video. Get started. Visit airdropc.com to subscribe to airdrop reminders. Very important, because I'll be reforming this portal here to feature 100 airdrops, each with its own publication tutorial. It's coming by the end of January, and I'll be sending an email to intimate you when it launches. In the interim, there are still some solid airdrops here you can check out. I'll also feature these airdrops in the description. There's a Telegram group chat now in the description, and you can also access me through this portal. I'll put an invite code in the description for LayerEdge. Exhaust the description area for all the information there. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action.